Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about detoxification chapter. Okay, so we'll see the introduction, the phase 1 and 2 reactions. First, the introduction, right? So detoxification, what is it? It is to reduce the toxicity of the compound in so that it is easily excreted. I repeat again, this statement is very important. Detoxification is the process to reduce the toxicity of the compound so that it is easily excreted. So main site will be the liver and sometimes the kidney and other organs. Even skin also will excrete the toxic substances. Skin, saliva, bile, okay, liver, etc. Okay. Now let's go to phase 1 reactions. We have oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. First, oxidation. The categories, I'll give you a mnemonic to remember. A power 4 SD. Okay. So what is that A power 4? Alcohols, aldehyde, aromatic and amino. S is sulfur and D is drugs. Now alcohols, example methanol to formic acid, aldehyde, benzaldehyde to benzoic acid, aromatic, benzene to phenol, amino, aniline to para-aminophenol. Sulfur compounds, the oxidation of sulfur to H2SO4, okay, that is sulfuric acid. And drugs, the hydroxylation of the meprobamate. I spell out MEPROBAMATE, meprobamate, okay. Now reduction, let us see. Picric acid to picramic acid is an example. Hydrolysis is breakdown. Aspirin, what is the composition of aspirin? Acetyl salicylic acid. It's very easy. Just break down that acetyl salicylic acid into two parts. That's all. Into acetate and salicylate. Now we'll discuss last one, phase 2 reaction. Only conjugation will be seen. The mnemonic to remember these categories under that, G power 4 SAM DT. What is G power 4? Glutathione, glycine, glutamine and glucuronic acid. S for sulfate. A for acetic acid. M for methyl. D for drugs. And T for thiosulfate. Right, first glucuronic acid converts bilirubin to diglucuronide form. Glycine converts benzoic acid to hippuric acid. Glutathione converts to mercapturic acids. Glutamine converts phenylacetate to phenylacetyl glutamine. Next, sulfate. Best example is phenol to PAX. Okay. Acetic acid is the acetylation of the sulfanilamide. That is the B12 antagonist, sulfanilamide. Okay. Methyl, the second step of the SAM cycle, SAM to SA, methyl acceptor. Drugs, BAL, British anti-lewisite, and thiosulfate, conversion of cyanide to thiocyanide. Okay. Or cyanide into thioform. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. And with this we have completed the detoxification chapter, and what the tables I have shown you in this video, these are all I have created on my own on the basis of the Satyanarayana textbook. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.